Alright, so we're gonna quickly take this trade. We're using the Trendlines strategy. We broke through in the 1 hour time frame. We broke through, didn't break back down in the next hour, which, as far as I'm concerned, is confirmation. So we're just gonna go in and buy now. We're gonna aim for this trend line up here, this downward trend line up here, and put our stop loss underneath the purple, not the blue. Or maybe even the blue. Let's see. Oh, great. Again. That's what I was talking about. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Where are we? XBT, buy by market. How much is, I don't even know. I don't know. Ten contract size, what does that even mean? XBT. Quickly. Positions. Stop loss is gonna be. Have we been invalidated already? No. Stop loss is gonna be. Let's say 20 pips away. Five lots. I'm scared. It says 50 lots. I don't know what I'm doing. Why is it up there? Why is it up there? This is bad. Oh, and I'm not even recording it, am I? I am recording. Alright. I mean, not alright. It's about 10%. But 0.1 would have been correct. What is this, slippage? Why is it that bad? Oh, I see. If I do that, then you can see me, right? Nope. If I do that, yeah, then you can see what I see. Good. So yeah, how about this massive wig that I completely ignored? One thousand and four. You know what? Let's actually see. 6-8. 6-4. Even 6-7 is gonna be alright, I think. It's less than 1-1. What? It's not a good trade. It's not a good trade. Oh, that only makes it worse. Oh, fuck me. That only makes it worse. I was excited there for a second. Oh, look. bad train. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I am gonna leave it. I'm gonna set an alert actually. For I want to go here. I wanted to go here. That would be good. That would be good. What is that? 122. Yeah. What am I going through here? Yeah. So this orange trend line has been broken pretty easily. Let's try. No, not that easy. Came right down again. Suddenly it became support. Back down through it. No. It's just been ignored, I guess. It's, I guess, a good sign, right? I think it's a good sign. We want to ignore it. We want to go for the red. For sure, for sure. Where is it? What? Get away from, what is this? Oh my god, I can't even. Oh, I can't go back. I guess I get what it's saying. Okay, where is it? Oh, this is infuriating. Fucking. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Another touch. Brilliant. That's it. It looks great. Awesome. Now we want the red, yeah? So I'm gonna just set an alert to what I was trying to do. It seems like 5 hours ago. Set an alert. I'm gonna move to 107.64. Yeah, 1,007.64 is gonna be my take profit for now, and I'm gonna set an alert for 99521. 99521 is the alert, and this, yeah, there's nothing saying it should. This is the level. 10809, 1008.09. Okay. Did I finagle it too much? Who knows? We will see what happens. Bye.